Hey guys, Rye Rice here. Hey guys, Rye Rice here. Sorry about that. Have my mic in opposition. And I've done this video before, but realized that I was not sharing my screen. How silly of me. So what this video is basically an easy way for you as non-artists to better relay your idea for a logo so that you can outsource some places like Fiverr.com or Freelancer without there being mixed signals because you're just describing it via text. Let's give them a visual and help them to give you the best logo possible. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to uh, find an image that represents your company. So for this example, we'll be doing an image text type logo, but you may just want to do a text style logo or just an item type logo or like an image type logo. Definitely up to you, but we'll combine the two for this example. So we're going to create Bryson's bear. And I almost did the same darn thing once again. I am not sharing my screen. Let me change that for you guys. Share the entire screen, and yep, it's sharing. Okay, so what you do is go ahead and find the item that you're looking for. And it could be a real life item. It's definitely cool. So Bryson's Bears, it's a teddy bear company. Definitely making this up, and we're looking up teddy bear. So here's a cute little teddy bear, and I've simply just clicked right click, save image as, and I've saved it. Then I'm going to go to sumopaints.com. Sumo like wrestler, SUMO, and paint like painting the walls.com. And then you're going to go hit try online. And it's just going to take a moment to load. You're going to go to File, Open from Computer, and you're going to find whatever it was that you saved that you're going to help, or you're going to use, excuse me, to create your logo. Now, what you're going to do is get rid of these right here, and you're going to click Background, which is the image that you've uploaded, and you're going to change the transparency and make it just enough so that you can view it. You're going to hit Layer, Add New, and then you're going to hit this pencil tool, and you can play around with the sizing of the pencil, and to just get a better idea of what that size is going to be, go ahead, just mark it, and then hit Edit Undo. So that's a pretty good thickness, I think so. And you're going to trace over the item. In this example, we are tracing over a bear, and don't worry, it doesn't have to be beautiful because we are actually outsourcing this. We just want to better relay what our idea of the logo should look like. That's all. And don't take too much time on this. You don't have to be perfect. Again, you're outsourcing. You're working smarter, not harder. So don't get frustrated because it might look funny. Totally okay. And when I'm doing my concepts, I like to play a little music. I'm on a laptop, but a mouse would be so much better. All right. And then there's a paint bucket tool, and you can fill in objects if you want. And then I'm going to go get that pencil tool again. And I know that some bears have that little effect right there. Yep, looks almost like a real teddy bear. Oh, yeah, I could do something with the ears right there if I wanted to. All right, fantastic. All right, great. Now what I want to do is I want to go to Layer, and I want to add New Layer. And I want to do this just for my text. What you're going to do is hit Text Tool, and I'm going to just click anywhere, and you're going to put in your text. So we said this imaginary company is called Bryson's Bears. Bryson's Bears. That's the name of our company. All right. So you can highlight it, and you can change the font, make it larger. I like that right there. And Bryson's Bears, where we're going to put this, and put it right there. Okay. And then what you can do is highlight it once again, and you can change the font. And you just click a font, and you can scroll through, hitting the down arrow, and you can get an idea of what font, meets your style. Now, if you have a specific font that you want to use, what you can do is you can download the font, and exit out a single pane, go back in, and once you've downloaded and installed that font, it will be made available in the font family. Isn't that cool? So again, we're just looking for something that we like, or I guess something I like. You might not like what I like. I'm just hitting the down arrow until something I like pops or sticks out to me, excuse me. That's kind of cool. All of these are pretty plain. Oh, that'd be cool if it was like a scary bear, I guess. Now we'll use that font. Now, here's the cool thing. Now, I've created a separate layer for font and a separate layer for the tracing that I did. Go ahead and go to layer and layer effects, and I can add cool things like drop shadows. I can change the color, and I can preview it all before I make the changes. So I'm going to screw this over here, and you can see that there's a drop shadow for Bryson's bears. And I'm going to do a color overlay. I'm going to do a different color. Let's see what color looks beautiful to me. This orange looks kind of nice. I can put an outline over it. It's called a stroke. There's a lot of tools, guys, you could play with and save it, not save it. And see what it looks like. Enter. That looks interesting. I don't really know if I like that. And it looks a little funny. But yeah, so you can click on the eye. It'll have a change. If you don't like it, unclick the eye. It'll go away. And you can adjust it within there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And I'm going to go back to layer 1. And I'm going to add a drop shadow to this as well. So go back to layer effects, drop shadow. And now the bear has a shadow. The bear has a shadow itself. Okay, so our logo is looking pretty fantastic. Go to background, click it, make sure it's highlighted, right click it, and then hit delete layer. And look, we have ourselves a logo that we've created. Pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and hit file, save to my computer. If you want to save to edit later, go ahead and save Sumo. If not, save as PNG or JPEG. If you are making your logo with a transparent background, it'll have to be JPEG, or excuse me, it'll have to be PNG. Sorry. So we'll put logo 33 and save. Yep, we're saving that. And I'm going to look up logo 33 here, and I'm going to click it. I'm going to see how it looks. Yay, it doesn't look too bad. So if I were going to a Fiverr person and saying, hey, I want this logo for my teddy bear company. I'm thinking about a teddy bear head and then the text Bryson's Tiller stacked on top of each other in orange with or yellow gold with a black outlining. They may come to you with something totally different, but this right here gives them a better idea of exactly what you want. And we are not professionals. Well, I'm not a professional, not a professional artist, but this gives them a better idea of how you want your logo to look. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely ask them. If you like this video, please, hit that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.